Student, today we are going to learn an important topics. What is the difference between shaper and planer machine? Shaper machine and planer machine are both type of machine tools used in metal working, mainly to create flat surfaces, but they have some key difference. This column features this column shaper machine, this column planer machine. Number 1, movement. In shaper machine, reciprocating cutting tool. In planer machine, reciprocating workpiece. In shaper machine, the cutting tool reciprocate while the workpiece remains stationary. In planer machine, workpiece reciprocate while the cutting tool remains stationary. Number 2, size. Shaper machine smaller, planer machine larger. Shaper machine are generally smaller and planer machine generally larger and more powerful than shaper machine. Number 3, capacity. Shaper machine for smaller workpiece, planer machine for larger, heavier workpieces. Shaper machine used for smaller workpiece, planer machine handle bigger and heavier workpiece. Number 4, application. Shaper machine flat surfaces, slot, grooves, contour, that means curved surface. Planer machine mainly flat surface. Shaper machines are typically used for machining smaller to medium size workpiece and are effective for producing flat surfaces, keyway, grooves and some contour. More versatile to creating complex shape. For planer machine are ideal for machining large and heavy workpiece such as large machine bed, structural component, primarily used for creating flat and even surfaces. Number 5, efficiency. For shaper machine, slower cutting rate. For planer machine, faster cutting rate. In shaper, slower cutting rate, but planer can handle heavier cut and has a faster material removal rate. Number 6, feet movement by the tool. In shaper machine, the tool does not give any feet during shaping. In planer machine, the tool gives the feet while job is reciprocating during planing. Number 7, feet given by job. In shaper machine, the job gives feet which may be number 1 cos feet, number 2 vertical feet. For planer machine, the job does not give any feet, and also in shaper only one cutting tool is used, but in planer machine more than one cutting tool may be used. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.